On June 23, 2017, a new OSHA ruling will take effect to enforce stricter job site standards in order to curb lung cancer and silicosis. This ruling will be enforced by restricting the exposure of crystalline silica dust on site. It will require workers to operate and maintain tools in accordance with manufacturers' instructions to minimize dust emissions and use drills and grinders equipped with commercially available shrouds or cowlings with dust collection systems. Also, dust collectors must provide the airflow recommended by the tool manufacturer or greater and have a filter with 99% or greater efficiency. DEWALT already provides the ultimate OSHA Table 1 compliant dust management solution to help you prepare to keep dust managed. From our HEPA dust extractors offering automatic filter cleaning to our airlock universal adapter for connecting DEWALT tools and shrouds to the dust extractor hose, our complete system covers all bases needed to get the job done efficiently. DEWALT. Guaranteed tough.